So the warmer weather is here and I could not be happier. The only downside to the warmer weather for me is dressing for it, because dressing for the warmer weather can be quite dull. It often consists of a pair of shorts and a t-shirt because it's just too hot for anything else, so it's hard to get creative with your fits. Don't worry though, in this video I'm going to go through 5 styling tips that are going to help you create more interesting looks this summer. All the pieces in this video will be linked in the description box down below, so if anything tickles your fancy, check out the description box. If you like this video at any point, please do give it a like, and now that's all out the way, let's get into the first tip. Layering is one of my favourite ways to create interesting looks when it comes to styling. However, if you try and layer too much in the summer, you're going to end up a sweaty mess. However, if you choose the right items and choose more lightweight pieces or lightweight materials, then you can still layer even in the summer. One of my favourite materials to work with, and one that you'll see a lot in the summer, is linen. Linen is really lightweight and it's really breathable, so it's going to keep you cool and allow you to layer still. For example, by throwing a short sleeve linen shirt over the top of a t-shirt, you're going to get more depth to your look, creating a more interesting look without causing you to overheat. Also, when it comes to short sleeve shirts, I prefer a shirt with a camp collar. I just think the collar is a lot more interesting in this type of shirt. Another thing you can do when it comes to layering is get rid of your t-shirt and swap it for a vest. So not only will a vest keep you cooler, that lower neckline that vests have creates a more interesting look underneath a jacket or a shirt, for example. So vests, you don't have to wear them just to show off your guns, you can wear them underneath other items of clothing for a really great look. For those drizzly days when you want some protection from the rain, instead of wearing a big heavy raincoat, swap the raincoat out for a coach jacket. Some of the coach jackets that I've got are so lightweight, it barely feels like you're wearing anything at all. And if, like me, you miss overcoats in the summer months, then swap out your overcoat for a lightweight Mac instead. It's going to give you a similar look, but going to keep you a lot cooler. And with both of these items, instead of wearing them over a t-shirt again, swap the t-shirt out for a vest, and you're going to be that much cooler. So this next tip is all about using different cuts of clothing to give you different and more fashionable looks. So rather than wearing a regular fitting pair of trousers and a regular fitting t-shirt, why not swap the regular trousers out for a pair of crop trousers or tailored trousers, and swap the regular t-shirt out for an oversized t-shirt, for example. This is a great option for those days when you don't want to wear any layers at all, and you could get some really interesting looks by just choosing interesting cuts of clothing. Take a look at stores like COS, for example. All of the clothing in COS is really basic, it's really plain, but it's the cuts of their clothing that give them a really fashion-forward look. So when you get interesting cuts of clothing, those items normally speak for themselves, so you don't really need to do much else to your outfit to make it look good. If choosing interesting cuts of clothing is still not enough for you, then this is where accessories come in. I think less is more a lot of the time when it comes to fashion, and I apply this way of thinking to my accessories too. Most days I'll just wear a necklace and that'll be it, but some days I'll choose to wear some rings as well, and maybe a cuff just to add some extra detail if I feel the outfit needs it. I don't wear watches these days, but if you are a fan of wearing a watch, then a watch is another great way of bringing some detail to your outfit. Jewelry is such a simple addition to an outfit, but it makes a massive difference and it can really take your outfit to the next level. If you wear glasses, then get yourself a pair of stylish frames, because a pair of glasses can really transform and complement your look. If you're lucky enough to not wear glasses, then get yourself a pair of stylish sunglasses instead. Hats are another way to add something else to your look and create a more interesting look in the summer, caps being the most popular, but there's plenty to choose from, so just choose your favourite. Just avoid beanies though, because you're going to overheat obviously. Another item that you may not have thought of that adds some extra detail to your look without causing any extra heat is wearing a cravat. I know cravats are not for everyone, and a lot of the time you associate them with tweed, but I think they can give a really interesting look. Tie it around your neck if you want to draw more attention to it in your outfit, or if you just want some subtle detail, have it hanging out the back of your pocket. I don't often use tote bags, even though I've got one hanging on the door in every video. I find them an absolute pain to carry about. But if you like carrying them about, they add some really good detail to your outfit. But there's so many accessories to choose from, and it probably needs a whole video on its own. But here's a great place to get you started for the summer. There's different ways to wear each item of clothing that you already have, and some of the ways may give you a more fashionable look. So try tucking in your t-shirt instead of wearing it out, for example. A simple thing like tucking in your t-shirt gives off a completely different look, and a look that may complement your style really well. Try cuffing your jeans or trousers, for example, and get creative with your socks to give off a more summery look. If you've got a load of clothing that's sat in the back of your wardrobe that you no longer wear, then try cutting it to give it a different look. Pop a collar on your shirt, roll the sleeves up on your t-shirt, cut the sleeves off your t-shirt and make it into a vest. The possibilities are pretty much endless here, so get creative with what you already have. Colour and patterns are a great way to bring your outfits to life, and especially in the summer when you can't wear that much, it's a great way to make your outfit pop. However, I would keep things very simple because it's very easy to overdo it with colours and patterns. What I like to do is wear one colour or one pattern in one piece of clothing in my outfit, and then pair it with other basic neutral tones. This way you're not going to have a load of different colours and patterns clashing throughout your outfit, because that can sometimes end up looking a bit of a mess. And it will also make the item of clothing that you want to stand out. When it comes to choosing patterns, I like to go for more classic styles of patterns because they stand the test of time. So things like your checks and your stripes are always a good shout. But play around with different patterns and colours that you like best, because that's what makes your style more unique and things more interesting too. Logos and designs are another great way to bring some interest to your looks, and I'd also do the same thing as we did with the colour and patterns, and just wear one piece throughout your outfit to make it really stand out. There are plenty of other ways to get creative with your outfits in the summer, so let me know some of your favourite ways to get creative in the comments below. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave the video a like. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you all next week. Thanks for watching, everyone. See ya.